Hey guys, I'm Marta Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of the Amazon Echo Auto. Now, I received this device yesterday. This goes for around $49, but if you're on Prime member for a limited time, if you are selected, you're going to be able only to pay $25. So that's what I paid, $25 for this. But normally, this is going to go for $50. So let's go ahead and open it up and set it up here on video so you guys can have an idea how this thing actually works. The reason I got these speakers right here is because we're going to pretend that this is my vehicle, okay? So in the inside, you got an adapter for your car, of course, for the AC. There, it has two plugs, which is cool. Here, you got the pad where you actually gonna put your Amazon Echo. Now the bad thing about this is that I've been thinking maybe I should use Velcro instead of this, because the thing is I switch between vehicles a lot. This is gonna have to be stick to the dash of the car, and then your Echo goes right there, so that means that this is not gonna be removable. And of course it has some alcohol wipe. But that's the thing, I think I'm gonna have to use Velcro instead because I switch between cars a lot. So here I have the Amazon Echo. Let's go and take it out of this little package right here. You go, there it is. So this right here is the microphone button, and this is to turn on and off the microphone. So you see there, and it has 8 microphones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 over here. You see it has the Amazon logo right there. Pretty cool. And the bottom here, like you see, has the mount spot for this, and this actually sticks via magnetic as well. So this right here, it sticks right there, and it's actually magnetized. And here we got some cable. This is the power cable. You connect this to the and hook it up to the power, and that's it, and it's going to go ahead and power this up. And you also have another cable just in case you don't have a vehicle with Bluetooth. You can actually use the aux input. Look at that. So you can use the aux input if you're looking to connect your Bluetooth smartphone to your car that doesn't have Bluetooth. This is going to be a great device because you can do it via this. And in the inside, other than that, you have instruction manuals, and that's it. That's all you have here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and connect this to the power. That way we could go ahead and do the initial setup. This goes right there. The aux input goes right there. If you're not gonna use the Bluetooth, you could just hook up the aux input right there. There you go.
Hello. Let's get rolling.
Ooh.
When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
Nice. So like you see there, very cool. This light is gonna be going sideways in orange. If you tap right here,
Setup. When you can safely do so,
that's
go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
If you say Alexa,
ready for setup. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
there you go. And over here you turn it off. If you turn that off, and if you say Alexa, it's not gonna actually activate. So you're gonna actually have to press right here to do commands. But right now, it's gonna turn this on. Not bad. Looks pretty damn cool. Just gonna put that right there. And right now, of course, like I said, I'm gonna pretend this is my car. I'm gonna turn this on. Right? There you go. That's on right there. And what you're gonna do here, you're gonna get the Amazon Alexa app.
Ready for setup. When you can safely do so,
make sure you actually get that. Sorry guys if I'm activating your Amazon device, but you know, I have to do this like this. So this application, of course, you're gonna go ahead over here and click add device right there. Add a device. Now we're gonna go ahead Amazon Echo, and here we're gonna choose Echo Auto. It has some warning: do not set up Echo Auto while driving, blah 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 blah. Let's go and continue. Place your Echo Auto on the dashboard. Echo Auto should be placed horizontal with the LED light bar facing the driver. Okay, so this should be facing you. Continue. So getting started, please make sure your device is powered on. Here you go. Then wait for the sweeping orange light. Select the Amazon Echo. It's right there. Recognize. Set up. There you go. Okay, it says, can your car connect to your phone with Bluetooth to play music? It's going to play yes. Okay, now it says test connection to car stereo. Make sure the environment is quiet to set the input of your car to the Bluetooth. Of course, turn up your smartphone and car stereo volume. Press this right here. There you go. Okay, there you go. Successful. Continue. Allow calling and messaging. Allow. It's going to allow. And allow. And that's it. This short video will walk you through some basics to get started. So this is a video you can watch.
Welcome to your new Echo Auto. Welcome to your new Echo Auto.
There you go. Okay. Very cool. Very short video so you can get familiarized with your Echo Auto. Just going to click continue. And I guess we're done. It says play any song. Just ask blah, blah, blah. No thanks. I already have a subscription. Why are you asking me to get in there? She can personalize your experience, create a voice profile. Okay, you're ready. Go home. And basically that's it. That's all you have to do to hook it up to your vehicle. Okay, so for some reason the speakers didn't actually connect at first when I turned on the phone to the speakers, but now it is connected. Like see right there, it is connected. You got the auto echo, and my watches as well are connected to the phone. And now, of course, when it's connected to the car, your phone to the car, everything that you ask and your responses is going to come from the speakers of your vehicle. So if I say, Alexa, what's the weather for today?
In El Paso, it's 95 degrees Fahrenheit.
It's
with
actually
mostly
coming
sunny
from
skies.
the speakers
Today,
of your vehicle.
You can look for partly sunny
Right
weather.
there. Alexa, remind me to buy milk when I get to the grocery.
The nearest T-Mart is 4.6 miles away on Dyer Street in El Paso. Do you want that one?
Yes.
Okay, Marco. Next time you arrive at E-Mart, I'll remind you on this device and send a notification to your phone. To ensure you receive it, please install the latest version of the Alexa app.
There you go. Thank you. One thing, if you don't want it to be listening, you could just click right there. And when you click right there, it's going to be red. And you're going to see the red bar as well. Like see there. Very cool. It lets you know that once you see the red bar, you know that the device is not listening. So that's really, really cool. And the cool thing about this is that it connects to the device really fast. So one thing that is actually recommended, that if you're going to leave your vehicle parked for a long time, or if you're going to be parked for with there's too much heat or something like that, you want to take it off, you could just unplug it and take the device with you, then unplug it to another car. If you have another cable, you could take the whole cable as well and then plug it to another cable. And once you plug it in, it will automatically start flashing. I think it starts flashing or not. Maybe it doesn't because it already connected the first time. But there you go. You see it actually connected right there. And of course, if you don't want to say the word Alexa, there you go. Cancel. You can actually press this button right here. Tell me a joke.
Take it away, Jimmy.
What does Matthew McConaughey's GPS say? Turn right, turn right, turn right.
Okay, that was kind of dumb. Alexa actually works basically, it's going to keep listening to me, so I have to turn it off. It's going to keep listening to you and answer to you. It's basically very similar to the Google Assist that I use a lot. And that's my main devices that I use for my smart home is actually the Google Assist devices. So for me, if you are an Echo user, you have Amazon Echoes all around your houses and all that, This is going to be awesome because this is going to be able to sync to all your devices when you give a command here, like for example, turn on my lights when I get home. This will automatically send the message to the other Echoes, and when you get home, it'll turn on the lights and all that. And some people even have the garage door open when via Alexa, and I've seen that too, and it works really damn awesome. So that's the cool thing about this device, that it gives you hands-free control to Alexa when you're driving. And like see, it has a whole bunch of microphones, so it's not gonna have problem listening to you. But one thing that I have to figure out is, what am I gonna do if I'm gonna stick this to one of my vehicles, then put Velcro on another vehicle? I don't know, but that's something that I have to figure out. But if you only have one vehicle, this is super great because the pad actually sticks to your dashboard, and this is actually magnetic as well. So this, it sticks there and it's not going to fall off at all because that is magnetic. So there you have it, guys. So this was a hands-on look of the Amazon Echo Auto, that what's going to do is give you Alexa for your vehicle. Knock, knock.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus who? Tyrannosaurus wrecks your house if you don't open up that door.
Oh, we're gonna wreck your house if you don't open that door. There you have it. Like you see there, you could ask jokes, set reminders, calls, look for gas stations. So if you don't have a vehicle that doesn't have Bluetooth, you can actually use the aux input and connect it there. Keep in mind, when Prime Day comes and all the holiday comes, most likely you're going to be able to get this device for a lot cheaper, maybe $30 or $25. You know how it is when it comes to Amazon sales. So this is not a must-have device in my opinion, but it does work pretty damn good. If you're already into the Amazon Echo family, you know, in your home and everywhere, so this honestly is like a no-brainer. It's like a must-buy for you. The build quality is also really damn amazing. The microphone actually really is nice there. You can use the button to activate it, or of course you can say the magic word. And of course I'll leave links in my descriptions for this device just in case you're interested in getting one of them. Okay, so let's go ahead and give Amazon Echo Auto a ride. I'm going to turn it on for the first time. It's connected to the car. We already did the setup, so like you see there, it automatically turns on. And let's go and put this to the, I'm going to put my car into the Bluetooth mode. There you go. Put some non-copyright music. That way I don't get hit by copyright. Let's go out for a ride. One thing that I figured out is that if you also have a mount that is magnetic, like this one is holding my phone, you can actually put your Alexa there too. Look at that. Alexa, what's the weather for today?
In El Paso, it's 98 degrees
There you go.
Fahrenheit with
You know, it's cool because it's actually using magnetic anyways. When you have the mount here, this is attaching to the mount via magnetic. So if you have one of these car mounts that you can move around, you can actually use that as well. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it right here, but hoping it doesn't slip while I'm driving. Put my cell phone there and ride a little bit and ask a couple questions. Tell me a joke.
Jimmy, the mic's all yours.
Where can you find Nemo? On Finstagram.
What? Alexa, knock knock.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Aladdin. Aladdin who? Enough with the questions. Just let a lad in.
Just let a lad in. Okay, let's go and ask some other question there. Alexa, is it gonna rain tomorrow?
No rain is expected in El Paso tomorrow.
Okay. Alexa, what are the latest news for today?
Where should I get your news from? You can say something like CNN, Fox News, NPR, or CNBC.
CNN.
From CNN.
Alicia, it's time for the 5 things you need to know for Friday, July 12th, 2019.
Not bad. Alexa, did the Yankees play today?
On Sunday, the Yankees lost to the Rays, 2-1. They'll play tonight at 5:05 p.m. at home against the Blue Jays.
Well, that sucks. Alexa, can you give me directions to GameStop? I don't think it works because...
Would you like directions to GameStop on 4650 Woodrow Bean Trans Mountain Road in El Paso?
Yes.
Okay, getting directions.
Okay. Oh, look at that. It did open my phone. Okay. Oh, look at that. Nice. I thought that was not gonna work because Google Map and Amazon. I didn't think it played that nice together. So it actually works. I thought that was something that was not gonna work. And yes, you can give navigation and ask for directions to specific, any location. So that's really cool. That's something I didn't know it can actually do. So that's thumbs up right there. Alexa, remind me to buy tacos when I get to Taco Bell. Of course, duh.
The nearest Taco Bell is 1.6 miles away on McCombs in El Paso. Do you want that one?
Yes.
Okay, Marco. I'll remind you at Taco Bell.
Okay, so it's gonna remind me to buy tacos when I get to Taco Bell. Alexa, is there a Taco Cabana near me?
I found a Taco Cabana. It is 3.5 miles away on Hondo Pass Drive in El Paso. It is open until tomorrow at 1 a.m.
Alexa, can you give me directions there?
Getting directions to Taco Cabana at 4810 Hondo Pass Drive.
Okay. There you go. So now it's changing my map over here. My directions.
Head on Dyer Street toward Deer Avenue.
There you go. It's changing
Continue on Dyer Street for 3 miles.
My drive that I was going to, I think it was Walmart. I forgot what was the first direction I gave. Now is reroute me to another direction that I gave to Amazon. Alexa, can you play Steve Jobs' book on my phone?
Getting your selection from Audible. Resuming Steve Jobs.
This is Audible.
There you go. Well, guys, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video. This was a hands-on look of the Amazon Echo Auto for any device. You can use this on Android and iOS. It's going to work perfectly. So let me know in the comments what you think about the Amazon Echo device. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.